here, this is an oil storage. Okay?
What?
Oil storage.
Oil stone.
And you can see we don't have any oil.
No.
Okay, it's empty.
Last time was like that too.
Yeah. Now, it's empty. Storage two times. Don't mess with it. You break it. So these are the two oil circulating pumps. You use one or the other, not both. Okay? So you choose on that control panel which pump you're going to use.
Okay.
And you're going to put it on auto. So what happens, see these connections here, these silver connections?
Yeah. This one?
Okay, come up here.
Those things?
No, the silver connections underneath.
Here.
The braided.
That one.
Okay, yes, of course.
All right.
With this wheel.
Right.
What is this?
It's a flex connection.
Flex connection.
So that
Flex
if the oil is pumping hard, the pipe can wobble, but it won't break. Okay? So you're going to show that flex connection in your drawing. Okay? And a flex connection you'll see later. It just looks like an S on its side.
Okay.
Flex
Okay?
connection.
So sorry, you said this is what, oil?
Oil
You write down.
storage
flex.
tank.
That's connection.
So,
Oil storage tank.
yeah. Now there's two pipes. There's one goes up, and there's one that comes down.
Flex
And,
connection.
What?
yeah. Pay attention. You don't have to do it all in the same day. So now
Okay.
just listen, okay?
Okay,
Just
wait.
listen, yeah.
All right? Because when you got your head down in the drawing, you're not listening to me. So I'm just giving you a quick tour this time, and you're going to come back and draw that later. All right?
So just listen to you this time?
That's right. I'm giving you the cook's tour. So we've got a storage tank. Now the oil goes up here, and it goes up through the wall. All right? So on the other side of the wall, you're going to see that you're going to see two pipes, and the one on the right is the oil that's coming back.
Yeah.
Now you can see here. See here?
Mm-hmm.
Goes up,
Yes.
and goes along, and it goes down. That arrow there is pointing in the wrong direction.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can see over here. See on the side?
Mm-hmm.
They relabeled it. So that this one is going out,
Going on.
and this one's coming back.
Okay.
Oh, this is
And then you can
bad.
trace what happens down here. There's all these pipes down here. How it communicates with the pump.
Mm.
All right? Because what it's going to do, it could go back there, or it could go this way. See here, this is a junction here. It could come along here and go back in here, right there. So now it's back in the tank. All right?
And that's a welded junction, right?
So this is
No, it's screwed.
this one is this. This one goes to this.
You're gonna figure it out later. Right now, I'm just telling you basically what the things are. Okay?
Just this the rotor to the
Yes.
Is that tank?
Well, you're gonna follow it around.
It's got the flash and then it comes.
No, it's pointing the wrong way. I just said, look there.
It's coming from
It's
outside.
that arrow is pointing the wrong way.
This around.
It's
This is
wrong.
wrong.
It's going down.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Good.
But if this thing is empty, then how is the furnace burning and everything?
Natural gas.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So let's go well. All right.
You feel me?
Hmm?
Now, up here.
I got stuck.
Switchboard, the power. You want to make sure the power's on. Okay. Up. It's on. Flex connection again.
What is that?
Flex connection.
Yes, I know. Is this? Air compressor.
Filter in it.
Okay.
The air filter. There.
This what?
Air filter. There. Air filter. Thank you.
It's closed.
Stop. So it's not going through here. It's going this way.
To the air.
Look up here. This will tell you if the filter's down or not. Green is good, yellow is good, red is bad.
Yeah.
Okay? So now, goes through here. Goes back down here. Or goes through here. Because if it goes here, it hits this.
This one's closed too.
This one's closed too. So this is closed. So it's not going this way. It's going this way. Down into here. Okay? And it comes out. Comes out here again. Unions. Alright? Unions. These are piping unions. You're going to want those in your drawing. Valve, ball valve, unions. And now it comes out. Does it go this way? Nope. Go this way. Through this airplane. Down. Here. Here. Comes along. It's not going there. It's going this way. Down through here. Into the tank. Put in the tank. Here. Okay? It's not going this way. It's
No, go
going
ahead.
this way. And it goes up into this manifold. Where I've got 3 gauges. And they all read the same temperature.
Compression.
All right?
Okay.
You don't need this for your drawing. You need to follow this for me when you start the boiler. Okay? All right, now I'm going to show you some other things that you have to know about this.
This is the tank. Tank.
Okay?
What is this?
Air tank. Air tank.
That one?
This is an air dryer. This is a nameplate. Okay? The nameplate tells you everything you need to know about this instrument, this piece of machinery. So here's the model number. So it's made by Great Lakes Air, and this is the number. Okay? Air dryer. And that's a tank. This is a compressor.
Just air tanks.
Yeah, it's a storage tank.
Sorry.
And you can see the pressure. It's got a pressure gauge on the side of it. All right?
What is an air dryer?
It takes the moisture out of the air. What it is what it says. It's an air dryer. This is going to instruments. It's going to go. It's going to actuate dampers up in the ceiling here. Use dampers. In a real building, in every room, there's a freezer, there's dampers in there, your air actuator. Uses air to run all the pneumatics in the building. Using air to actuate dampers and these pneumatics. We don't use it to boil the
Here we have just air. It's going like this.
Yes,
Not here, but here. It goes here and there to the tank.
yes,
This is air, nothing else.
that's right.
Okay.
Air dryer.
Okay? So this is,
So we got the air, yeah?
so what you have to do, I'm just telling you now, is
Compression.
obviously we're going to be running natural gas. So I want to make sure that my oil pump is on. Right? Turn it on. I don't know. So I have to check to make sure that I'm only running one fuel at a time. After we do that, you check your air. Okay? And like I said, this is not for the drawing, this is for the big job.
Oh, you found a good one. That's just the transformer. That's the electricity. We don't have to have that on the map, but it's good to know.
It goes down here. So what often you get in compressed air is you get moisture and you get oil. And so you need to filter it out. Okay? So this is one. Okay?
That's on there.
Yes. Now if I want to turn it off, you're right-handed, right?
Yes.
Okay? Except me too. Okay. When you turn something off, don't stand in front of it. Okay? And the reason why you don't stand in front of it is because if this should malfunction and arc, it's going to hit you right in the chest. Okay? There's been a thunderbolt of doom is going to come out of there, and it may kill you.
So it's good to be left-handed?
No.
No, you're doing it right-handed, right?
Because you have to do it a different way, Paul. Just hang on.
I'm left-handed.
Yeah, wait. I'm going to demonstrate it for both hands. Okay? So what you do when you want to turn something off is you stand to the side of it. And if you're right-handed, you use your left hand. And you use your left hand because once again, if something goes wrong and that hand gets blasted, you didn't lose the hand that you work with. Okay? You use your backup hand to turn it off. And you turn it off. And you don't look at it.
Okay.
Turn it off. Okay?
Saw a video of a guy in the States lost all his vision.
all his eyeballs.
All his eyeballs.
Yeah. So all the eyeballs are now gone. And when you turn it on, it's the same thing. Okay?
I saw you do that in our classroom. I wanted
Yes,
to tell
you
you
want to
that.
protect your hand. If you're right-handed, you want to
you're standing
protect your
in front of
hand. You want to protect your body, which is why you're standing over
Okay,
here.
okay.
And you want to protect your eyes.
Okay,
So
okay.
turn it off.
Shoot a fireball out.
All right.
Kill you.
You turn it back on again.
Oh, have a fireball.
So now for left-handed people, because this one's in an awkward spot, it's the same thing. Don't stand in front of it. And I use my non-dominant hand because I still want to make a living.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right? All of them. Anything you turn on and off, do it like that, please. Even the small switches. If you're turning on those pumps, it's a good habit to get into. It's not huge, it's not super high voltage, but you can still hurt yourself. You can still get burns from malfunctioning switches and breakers.
Have you ever seen it happen?
I ran 400 volts through me once,
No, I've seen it happen.
and I had to sit down for the rest of the day. I felt a little sick and dizzy.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Shit.
And it was because I wasn't paying attention. I was just doing a routine thing and I wasn't thinking. And I could have killed myself.
And you were standing right in front of it, or?
No, I was off to the side, but I was sticking around. I was going to do things at the same time.
Okay.
All right, and you don't do that.
Yeah,
Okay. So always be mindful of electricity.
But the hand that you turn on and off with, you can save that hand, yeah?
You're left-handed.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm telling you to turn the
yeah. You really have to know that. You don't have
So
to
in case
say that.
Mafia is this.
No,
and run electricity up through here and melt this and burn your hand or blow it off with an arc, it's your right hand. You still got your left hand. Okay, you can still sign checks, feed yourself. And for the other people who are right-handed, they stand over here and they use their left hand for the same reason. And I'm away from the switch because generally, if this is going to malfunction, see? Zot up this way. Okay? All of these, see these pieces of metal here?
Yeah.
All right. It's not going to come out the side. If anything goes wrong, it's going to want to come out the front. So it's going to go through this door and into your chest. All right?
You can use gloves, coach,
Gloves aren't to...
for high voltage.
You can, but you still follow the same protocol. Okay, you still turn things on and off with your non-dominant hand and don't stand in front of the switch. Okay?
Because yeah, the
All
glove,
you need to-
the glove will protect your hand, but not your body. Well, if it arcs, you just don't want to be there.
You know, yeah, if it arcs, it's gonna take the path of least resistance.
How many how many times we gonna turn off this during one day, like the workplace?